Hello everybody, it's me Robin from RBN of Solutions. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Gem WordPress theme and how you can import demo data from the Gem theme easily. So we have to go on WordPress dashboard and from here simply click on Appearance to Themes. And after that we have to click on upload. You will see add new maybe here, and after that have to click on upload. So we are clicking here upload. Then we have to upload our theme file. Here is the theme file. Sorry, we have to upload the correct theme file. This is our correct theme file. So simply drag and drop on the desktop, and after that select the theme. This is our theme, and simply click on install now. It's installing. Here we can see already installed our the Gem theme, and we have to activate our theme. So simply click on activate. Now you can see our the Gem theme already activate. Now we have to upload our child theme also. So to get child theme, click on child theme, and this is our the Gem child theme. So simply go again on appearance to themes, and again click on add new, click on upload, and now we have to upload our child theme. This is the child theme, so simply click on install, and now simply click on activate to activate the child theme. Now after installing and activating the child theme of the theme, and now we have to activate the theme. To get activate code, you have to go on theme forest, where from you have downloaded your themes, and once you are on theme forest, then hover on your name, then simply click on downloads. You will able to download your theme purchase code from downloads, and now here click on download. Then you can see here you will be able to download license certificate and purchase code on PDF and text version. So I am going to download text version, so simply click on text and then open it, and scroll down. You should get purchase code. Yes, this is our purchase code. So you have to copy this code and you have to paste here. After pasting, simply click on activate. Now we have to install all plugins. So click on plugins, or you can see you can click from here begin installing plugins, and from here select all plugins, then click on install and apply. It may take some time to install all plugins. Here we can see all plugins are installed, so click on return to dashboard. Yes, it's returns to the dashboard, and now we have to activate all plugins, so click on plugins. Now we have to activate our all plugins. Oh sorry, already activated all plugins, required plugins. So now we have to import demo contents. To import demo contents, we have to go on the Gem to demo import. From here click on demo import. From here you have to select the demo which one you want to install on your WordPress website. So we are going to add a demo for shop. So simply click on shop. From here, so we are going to install this demo. So click on the theme which one you want to install the demo. So here you can see here WooCommerce plugin is required. Please install it. So simply click on install plugin. Here we can see WooCommerce. So you have to install this plugin. So click on install now. and click on activate plugin. And here we have to set up WooCommerce. We can do this later. Click on continue with the old setup wizard and simply click on not right now because we don't want to set up WooCommerce right now. We can do this later, don't worry. And now again go to the gym to demo import and again go to shop and we want to install this demo, so simply click on that and here we can see two options: install complete pre-built website, install single pages from pre-built website. So we want to install same demo which one we can see on the theme, so simply click on install complete pre-built website, then click on next step and it's getting import all demo data. So you have to wait and now we want to import theme options. Yes, we want to theme everything, so just simply click on submit and now we can see importing all demo data. So we have to wait some moments, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and now we can see here all done and simply click on preview website, then we will be able to see the changes and hopefully we will see all demo data or all demo content has installed perfectly.